Hello, welcome to SDS Tutorial Center, where we teach you calculations on various office based items, how you can calculate important data, statistics, and in this instance, we are going to calculate payroll or salary of an organization or a company, how to simplify the calculation to make your work easier, your office work easier, even in your homes and in your offices or wherever you may need it. So I encourage you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch our previous videos we've made on how to calculate student results to get their total score, average score, grade, and their positions in a class. So this is very important for your schools and for other relevant data. But in this tutorial, we are going to teach you how to calculate payroll or salary. So we are going to look at a company, a Great Minds Company Limited, and in this company they have staff levels 2, 4, 6, 7. These staff levels are very important. They're going to, in fact, they're going to be very pivotal when we are going to be calculating level-based allowances for these staff members. Here we have 8 staff members, as you can see them, and there are different departments. Then we have their different levels, level 2, 4, 6, 7, and then we'll have the punctuality rating. We're going to consider that when we are going to be calculating the deductions. So here you have to understand this: the level of a staff member we determine his or her allowances, because this is level-based allowances. Together, the level number is equally the percentage of the basic salary that the staff member is going to get. So I'm going to remove this. So let me show you how you can get this quickly done. So two things will determine the level-based allowance. First thing is the level. In this instance, Sam's level is 7, and also the basic salary. So the higher your basic salary and equally the higher your level, then your allowances is going to be higher as well. So let's get it quickly. I've taught you people how to use if statements to calculate conditional statement, because this allowance is conditional. What I mean is that it is based on something else. So let's quickly, so you will start up any calculation with equal to if, open brackets, in this instance, if J9 is the Sam's level, if J9 is equal to 7, we are now making statement for level 7 staff member. So any staff member whose level is 7 is going to take this allowance percentage, which is 7%. So if J9 is equal to 7, comma, open bracket, basic salary multiplied by 7%. So in this instance, 7% is also J9. So basic salary here is L9 multiplied by J9%. You see, so we don't want to write 7% in this place. We don't want to write 7% in this place because the levels of the staff members will be changing. So if the person gets promoted, then the computer is going to consider the level number that is there, which will equally be the percentage. So that's why we are not writing the level number literally. So we're using the column and the row cell number. So close the bracket. We have made statement for level 7, comma, let's make statement for level 6. If open bracket J9 is equal to 6, comma, open bracket L9, which is the basic salary, multiplied by J9 as well, so J9%, close the bracket, comma, if open bracket J9 is equal to, let's make now statement for level 4, is equal to 4, comma, open bracket J9 L9 multiplied by J9%, close the bracket, comma, let's make a statement for level 2. If open bracket J9 is equal to 2, comma, open brackets L9, which is basic salary, multiplied by J9%, whatever the J9 has, the percentage, the percent, or if it's 7%, if it's 6, if it is 2, if it is 4. So then we'll close. Then you have to consider the number of ifs. Every if here has an open bracket. So this is if 1, then if 2, if 3, if 4. So here we're going to put 4 closing brackets. So we close it, 1, 2, 3, 4, and press enter key. So you see, so 7% of 50,000 is 3,500. So that is just it. 7% of 50,000, because this Sam is on level 7 and he's getting 7% of his basic salary as the allowance. So that's why it's called level based allowances. So to get the allowances for the rest of the staff members, we've already gotten for Sam. You can come down here and then we drag it down, or we double click to get for the rest of the staff members. So you can see how important this is, and you can see how pivotal the level has been in the calculation of the allowances. So it means that the senior staff members with higher levels are getting higher allowances compared to their junior staff members who are getting smaller allowances. And equally, not only the levels, the salary also comes into play in getting the allowances, because it's actually the 7% of the salary that is grabbing to give you the allowance. So this is pretty easy, but it's very very important for your school, for your company salary calculation, your homes, and so many areas that it could be very important to make your work easier and presentable. So I encourage you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SDS Tooth Center, for loads of more other important calculations. In our next video, we are going to show you how we can get the gross salary, the deductions, and the net salary, and a lot more. So please click on subscribe on the bottom right, on the right side, to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a nice day.